Why do three of Marvel's mightiest heroes team up to save the universe? The Marvels is here and it's bigger, bolder, and more action-packed than ever. Captain Marvel, Miss Marvel, and Monica Rambeau are uniting to face a cosmic threat that's out of this world. These three powerhouses aren't just dealing with bad guys, they're navigating their intertwined destinies and forging an unstoppable team. Expect epic battles, jaw-dropping special effects, and that signature Marvel humor. With Nia DaCosta at the helm, this movie promises to take the MCU to new heights. So grab your popcorn because The Marvels is the superhero extravaganza you don't want to miss. Who's your favorite of the trio? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic Marvel content.